Hey guys, this is Nandan from Beta Console. To learn any new language, first we should know the basics of that language. Today in this video, we'll learn the basic structure of a C program with the help of Hello World program. In all the C programs, you need to include files. Here I'll include #include stdio.h. The use of this line is, this will tell the compiler to include header files for standard input and output operation. The next line will be main. From this line, our compiler will get to know that from this line we have to start the execution. So next line will be printf. In the printf statement, you can write the whatever the message you want to display. I'll write hello world. It should end with a semicolon. Before this line, you can include another line called clr scr. This is nothing but it is one clear screen statement. It will clear the screen. After this, we'll write getch. The getch function pauses the output screen until any other key is pressed. And the last line will be return. Return line is basically used in the function to return any value. Here I am not returning any value, so I have given 0. So that's it. We'll save this. Press Alt F9 to compile this and check if there are any errors or warning. So we don't have any errors or warning. Now we'll execute this. Press Ctrl F9. Yeah, and this is our output.